boat's appearing out of nowhere. So yeah, this boat's appearing out of nowhere. We've been printing like crazy with the new printer. Insane. Been absolutely loving it. Right now I'm making these custom trucks. I can't put it on the bed because we're in action. Custom trucks for my mates. I'm making one for Robbie here, Prosciutto Racing. And I'm making one for Nick and one for myself. And I'm going to give them to the guys at the track tonight, West Coast. So yeah, printing the logos. But this is hopefully going to be the West Coast logo and our names for the panels I'm going to glue on. Oh yeah, look at the trucks. We got custom trucks with the box trailer bit. I made a bit of mess of the super on that one. There's Mikey Barnard, take the scumbag IC. It's a West Coast logo on the back. We got a West Coast with the president, Nick. And then we got Robbie, Prosciutto Racing. Lined up on the printer bed. I'm going to take this down to the car. I know Robbie's going to be there. Hopefully Nick will be too. So give them the 3D printed trucks. But what else have we been making? Let's go there. We got the 3D printed Ford Bronco with suspension, moving wheels. Those trucks move wheels as well, but the front axle's glued at the moment. They got mini Formula 1 cars. Little forklift. A benchy boat. With a couple of different bed attachments for the trucks. That doesn't stop there. There's another truck, a flatbed. We got a racing car. Oh, I should have had that on the whole time. Racing car. Rideable. Ford Ranger Raptor. Oh, Ford Ranger Raptor. Yeah. Now we're talking. Get the trucks back. So yeah, just printed all these at once, one print. Yeah, loving my printer.